So today is the day that we are going to finally set up the condo for Frankie. Start the puppy proofing, do his crate, the baby gate, all of it. And I'm going to vlog it all for you guys. I'm super excited because we've been putting this off. We said we were gonna do it on Monday so we would have time to, you know, get used to all the gates around, but yeah, that didn't happen. So I'm gonna drink my coffee, I'm gonna eat some breakfast, and then we're gonna go right ahead into the vlog. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Feel uninvited, left home in West LA, I'm not excited, so uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder, she loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer, just wanna touch like back when we were younger, yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but hate has got some indecisive. I'm over fighting, I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble, when he's around my problems seem like double.
guys, we are finally done puppy proofing the house. I stopped recording while we were doing the crate because it literally took us like maybe an hour to try and fix, because I showed you guys the box. It was absolutely destroyed. So we were kind of hoping it was just gonna be the box, but obviously it wasn't. And the crate got crushed. So it took us so long to try and get it to open. I'll show you guys the crate here. So on this side of the crate, you can see that it's like straight, it's normal, it looks like a regular crate, whatever. And then you come on this side and then you're like, what the fuck is this shit? So the way you open these things is you pull it up, which is this part, and then this side and the back pull outwards. But because it got crushed, it got stuck inside. So we literally had to like use a hammer to like bend some of these bars, and a lot of work. Oh my god, it was terrible, but thank god it still works. The crate's still working and we ended up figuring it out. Let me show you the rest of the place. So we bought this awesome gate and it just comes over here and it's wedged between Steven's desk and the couch. And then obviously has a door. And then this over here is his playpen, which is just basically the wire pens that you see. And this is the other half of the baby gate. Thank God I got the 8-pack. So basically, it's gonna open up and block. Whoop. There we go. It's gonna block this area off. We have like weights and stuff that we're gonna put and push up against this wall, so he won't be able to move it. But yeah, our place is almost ready for puppy. I'm so excited. All right, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, comment, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I will see you guys with a beauty video on Friday. So see you guys soon. Bye.